What's up guys, this is Kyle with Krietz Customs, and as you can see here behind me, we have this 2025 GMC 3500 Denali. This is our biggest build of the year so far. So this customer called us and said, I have a project for you guys. Can you find me the truck? Can you do the build? And absolutely, of course, we did that. So we went out, found the truck for him, spec'd out with everything that he wanted. We talked to him and worked. So a little bit of a backstory here. He has a kid that goes to Gettysburg College. He loves the blue and orange, and that's kind of been the theme for this entire build. So we pinpointed every little odd and end thing on the vehicle to make sure it matched color-wise, from paint to match on the truck itself to the lift kit itself, down to the orange in the wheels with the Gettysburg logo in the wheels. And I'm gonna break it down for you guys. All right, so as you guys can see here on the front of the truck, we already had the blue with the color scheme of the truck, but we're mixing in the orange and the whites to kind of tie it in with the college. So you can see here with the emblems on the grille, went white outlay with the orange inlay, and a little bit of orange touches here on the hood fin, as well as the tow hooks. Working around the side over here. I'll hop right into the wheels, because honestly, these wheels stand out with the orange inlays on them. So these are 26-inch JTX Forged Empires. Like I said, black with the orange finish where the milled edges would usually be as a standard, wrapped in a 37-1350 Fury Country Hunter MT. Also, if you guys can see inside of the wheel well here, everything on this McGaughys 7 to 9-inch kit, we got it powder coated orange to match the college orange of the Gettysburg bullets, same with the knuckles, and then followed up with the blue nameplates as well to tie it all together. If you guys see in there behind the control arms, we have the M84 reservoir struts in there as well. Moving right back to side here, we blued out the side badges of the truck here. The mirrors itself, a custom little touch. We did the orange on the top where the chrome would kind of wrap around, tied in with the white and down to the blue to bring the whole college color together. And then even on our own KC badges on the door in the orange with the Denali HD emblems as well. Painted the door handles on the way back of the truck. These usually come standard in the chrome on the vehicle. And then on the actual step pads on the side of the vehicle itself, we went ahead and painted the inlays there, left the pad there that you can actually use it without having to worry about messing your paint up, but go ahead and painted the entire housing itself. And if you guys even take a look under the vehicle, the traction bars, the nameplates, everything underneath of this truck is gonna be orange with the blue. Like I said, custom powder coated on the McGaughys 7 to 9-inch kit. And then moving on to the rear, I forgot to address it in the front. This truck has lights under it, just like the other dual. If you guys watch our YouTube page, if you follow along, you've seen that truck. This has the Customs Unlimited 16-piece LED blazing rock light kits, as well as the wheel ring kit from them as well. And then moving on to the back of the truck, went ahead and matched the emblems just like we did to the front, with the orange Denali Krietz Custom emblems, and then the white outlay, orange inlay GMC, topped off with the tuxedo or Truxedo bed cover. All right, one last big thing we did to this truck was we went ahead and put the Stealth Spare Tire Delete 5-gallon air horn compressor kit from Horn Blasters underneath this truck as well. As you can see, these kits come up and mount right where the spare tire would be, so it hides it real clean. You don't notice it, but it does pack a punch. When you hit the button, this thing does put out some noise. All right, so as you guys can see, if you can dream it, we can build it. This was a fully custom build, from even finding the truck itself to every little detail mixed in across this entire truck here. Let us know what you guys think in the comments of the build. If you want to do something similar, anything this big, anything all the way down to just swapping your tires out, we do it all. Give us a call at 301-694-4642 and shoot us a message on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you see us, and we'll see you guys next time.
Want a free set of wheels and tires? Subscribe to Krietz Customs. We're giving away a free set at the end of the year if we hit 50,000 subscribers. So if you want them, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.